Hello everybody, it's finally that time. We're gonna get all the parts ordered to finish this CRF. So I got a little list going. I know what I need. This is the prototype CRF that everybody's been waiting on. Yeah, I haven't really prioritized three-wheelers in my life lately. I've just been working a lot. But it is something I do want to get finished so that I'll have the big three lineup. I'm going to be tearing this guy down, the KX, put a new top end in it. It's still running, but we just got some power loss and a little bit of noise, so definitely time to be replacing that. I'm going to be building some fixed pegs for that. I actually like the fixed peg feel a lot better than breakaway pegs. On the CRF, I decided to try somebody else's product just to give it a review, since we've made all our own pegs and ran Nerf bars and such. So we're gonna try some Wicked Metal Fab pegs on the CRF, see how those hold up, see if they end up bending over time or if they hold even though they're a breakaway peg. So pretty excited for that. MTR Tires sent us some O bores here. We're gonna be putting those on the 200X so that I can steal the rims back to put on my CRF because my son borrowed them. So I got a few little projects going on. Nothing big. Like I said, I just been working construction, but we are gonna just get through this poor economy. We're gonna keep making parts, selling parts, and building some stuff. Unfortunately, I don't do trike builds for anybody else. So yeah, just follow us on YouTube if you'd like to see some more stuff. Check out Tri Moto Man. Thank you.